Today we're going to be looking at slowing things down a bit. I'm talking about slow motion video. You really get some interesting sounds when you change the speed of a clip. But first, I need to wake up my pup so we can start the day. Now my little one, she's in a pretty deep sleep right here. But all I have to do is say snack, and she starts to wake up. Now there are two ways that I create slow motion. One is the slow motion feature on my camera, and the other, of course, is in post-processing by changing the speed to about 20%, like right here. That's her flopping her ears. It is a little warm today, so even the birds are taking advantage of some shade by sitting on my swing. But there is a breeze out. We had some rain yesterday, so the beautiful water droplets are still on the very colorful leaves. Now this here is my slow motion feature on the camera. It works really well. And it saves time in processing. I really don't have to make much adjustments with this. Now for these next clip, it's a little windy right there. I put the GoPro right next to the bird feeder. We're going to start with the blue jays first. Not only do you get to hear nature's sounds in slow motion, but you get to see it too. Now watch this as this bird almost drops the seed and then he turns around and catches it. Let's do that again. Slow motion can be just so much fun. Alright, well let's just take a listen. Now this next bird, I have no idea what this bird is. If anybody knows what it is, you can please leave a comment down below, but I've never seen it before. I think he's a little bossy over the feeder also. The birds kind of sneak up behind him to quick grab a snack. He seems a little bossy as he tries to chase the other birds off. But they come back and try to do a couple flybys. Well, that is all the slow motion for today. I'm going to leave you with some of my favorite photos. This guy here visits my place every day. It is the raven. And sometimes I have two of them that stop by. And also a few of the flowers blooming in my garden this week. So from my little corner of the world to yours, I'd like to thank you for watching today. Next week, I'll be doing some long exposure photography at the waterfalls. So for now, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.